Hi guys, it's been ages since I've uploaded a video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy mango trifle. Firstly, add 2 packs of jelly into 800 ml of boiled water. Stir it well until it's fully dissolved. Drain the mango tin and add the mangoes to the glass bowl. Now add the jelly mixture. Put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Put the other tin of mangoes in a plate and chop them up in small pieces. Add any type of cake onto the jelly when it's set. Now add 3 tins of ready-made custard. Spread all the custard with a spoon so it covers the cake. Add whipped cream on top and decorate how you desire. Lastly, add sprinkles. This is a really easy recipe and it is so quick. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye!